Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to use Brave widget in home screen on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, if you wanna enable or activate for the widget Braves in this iPhone, you just have to tap and hold for a second on this Brave applications icon. I'm gonna tap on it like this, and yeah, at the bottom we'll find that this icon, I guess. If you wanna enable it, you just have to tap on it like this, and it will be a widget in this home screen to the Brave applications. Simply, if you wanna search anything in this Brave application, you don't need to open the applications first, but usually you just have to tap on these options, and you can simply search the sites that you wanna see or you wanna watch by the Brave applications, guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.